Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're checking out a super convenient kitchen gadget, the EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker Machine with Handle. If you're tired of constantly refilling ice trays or running out of ice during parties, this portable ice maker could be a great solution. One of the biggest highlights is its fast ice production. This machine can produce 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in as little as 6 minutes, so you won't have to wait long to chill your drinks. Over a full day, it can make up to 26 pounds of ice, which is plenty for home use, gatherings, or even small office setups. The design is compact and portable, weighing around 13 to 15 pounds and featuring a sturdy carry handle. That makes it easy to move between your kitchen, bar area, RV, camping trip, or outdoor party. Despite the small size, it includes a 1.2-liter water tank and a basket that can hold about 1.3 pounds of ice at a time. Another great feature is the one-touch self-cleaning function. Just hold the ice/clean button for a few seconds, and the machine runs a cleaning cycle automatically, which makes maintenance quick and simple. It also includes infrared sensors that alert you when the basket is full or when the machine needs more water. The ice produced is the popular smooth bullet-style ice, which doesn't stick together easily and is perfect for iced coffee, sodas, cocktails, or everyday drinks. Plus, the machine runs quietly at under about 45 dB, so it won't disturb your kitchen or workspace. Overall, the EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker Machine with Handle is a compact, fast, and easy-to-use ice maker that's perfect for homes, kitchens, camping trips, RVs, and small gatherings. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.